Hello, welcome to Qi Trader. Below is a detailed introduction to QIT order. QIT order is activated when the market price reaches a predetermined level set by the investor. Once triggered, the order is executed according to the prevailing market conditions at that time. If we expect the price to drop to a certain level before rebounding upwards, we can set a QIT order below the current price. This trigger price is the point at which the investor believes there is a trading opportunity once the prevailing price reaches it. If you wish to place a QIT market order, select QIT as the order type and market price as the price type, and then fill in the trigger price. When placing a buy order, the trigger price is usually set below the latest price. When placing a sell order, the trigger price is usually set above the latest price. If you want to place a QIT limit order, please set the price type to limit price, so that the type of the suborder after being triggered will be a limit order. When placing a buy order, the trigger price is usually set above the limit price. When placing a sell order, the trigger price is usually set below the limit price. The above is merely a suggestion for setting the prices. If focusing on the price setting function of QIT, you can freely set both the trigger price and the limit price without considering the relationship between their magnitudes. Let's sell a QIT market order. We only need to enter the trigger price and the order will be executed at the market price. Once the QIT market order is triggered, you can see that it has a suborder. The suborder is also a market order. Let's buy a QIT limit order. After entering all the parameters and clicking the Buy button, the order is successfully placed. Once the QIT limit order is triggered, you can see its suborder. The suborder is also a limit order. QIT orders can also be used in conjunction with GTC, GTD and GTT, so that if the QIT order is not triggered, it will continue to run until the contract expires or the set end date is reached. QIT order can also be used in conjunction with an activation time. Once the activation time is set, the QIT order will only start operating after the specified activation time is reached. That's all for the introduction of QIT order. Thank you for watching. We look forward to you experiencing our product. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at any time.